1. Our planet Earth is part of a solar system that is just one of billions in the Milky Way galaxy. 2. Evolution has shaped the diversity of life on our planet over billions of years, resulting in an incredible array of species. 3. The human brain has the capacity to process more information than all the computers in the world combined. 4. The study of quantum mechanics suggests that particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously and that they can become entangled in such a way that the state of one particle can affect the state of another, even if they are separated by vast distances. 5. The concept of time is relative and can appear to slow down or speed up depending on factors such as velocity and gravity. 6. The universe is thought to be expanding, with galaxies moving away from each other, and it may one day stop expanding and start contracting. 7. The field of neuroscience is revealing new insights into the functioning of the brain and the nature of memory, emotion, and perception.